All right, we're here with Dante Peralto, left back for Chapleton Maroons. Commanding performance today, not just from the team, but from you. How do you feel, sir?
Well, it feels really great to come into the second season of JPL and especially to come into my second match with the new team to get a man of the match performance. But of course, I have to thank my coaches because in the preseason we were really working a lot with me. And just to get what they wanted, it was a really tedious. There's a lot of work behind the scenes. And I really thank Craig Butler, Coach Duque as well, and Black, Sluggy, all of the coaches.
Could perhaps be said there was a disappointing season last season, but 2 wins from 2 thus far for 2025. What are you guys thinking about in terms of expectations for this year?
Well, for this year, we obviously want to try push for top 6, and from there we go to the playoffs and try win the league, because the team that we brought together this year, there's a lot more improvement, and especially the experience that was brought in as well. It's really great.
Also, your thoughts on that goal from Carlton Brown in the second half?
Spectacular. I have to give it to him. I really do.
Thank you, Peralto. Appreciate it.
Thank you.